handling refunds or ticket transfers manually. One mix-up can frustrate attendees, and worse, trigger chargebacks that put your account at risk. Here's a simple way to stay organized with refunds and ticket transfers. Create a Google Sheet titled Refund and Transfer Log and track each request by name, date, and reason. Mark whether it's been resolved so nothing slips through the cracks. This system keeps you transparent and responsive, but it doesn't guarantee attendees won't file chargebacks if communication breaks down. That's where EasyPay Direct helps. Their chargeback mitigation system automatically flags potential disputes before they escalate, giving you time to resolve refund requests directly. It keeps your merchant account clean and your event payments protected. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out if you're handling multiple events or live trainings. Their chargeback alerts and white glove support help you stay ahead of refund issues before they cost you. Refunds and transfers should build trust, not cause payment stress. EasyPay Direct helps you manage both smoothly so your next event runs without interruptions. Use the link in the description to get started today.